So now we are going to discuss about column milling machines. Column milling machines. So the common features of all the common column milling machines are that there exists a knee upon which there exists a saddle, upon which there exists a table on which we hold the workpiece, and this workpiece can be held on this table by various work holding devices, for example rotatory cutter or a bench vise. So our workpiece, this is held on the table by, for example, our working bench, rotatory cutter, which is in turn held on the saddle, which is in turn held on the knee. And this saddle can have its longitudinal and cross motions, on the knee because of some presence of lights between the saddle and the knee. And this knee is mounted on the column. See, because of this presence of this column, these machines are named as column milling machines. So this knee being mounted to the columns by some vertical slides. So there exist some vertical slides, and because of that this knee is able to have its vertical motion. This knee is able to have vertical motions, and which in turn provides vertical motion to the job. So the job can have at least three kinds of motions. Number one, cross one. Number two, the longitudinal one. And number three, that is the vertical one, which happens due to the presence of vertical slides. Now we are going to see the categories into which we can divide column and knee milling machine. The first one is a very simple one, which is hand milling machine. The second one is horizontal milling machine. The third, in horizontal milling machine, we have the spindle which is parallel to the shop floor or to the table. The third one is vertical milling machine. In case of vertical milling machine, the spindle is perpendicular to the shop floor or to the table. The fourth one, it is universal milling machine. So universal milling machine is actually a modification of horizontal milling machine, a special kind of horizontal milling machine where the table can be swiveled into each direction at 45 degree. And the last one, omniversal milling machine. So these are the categories into which we can divide column and knee milling machine.